Welcome back, students of class 6. We had discussed the chapter in the previous day, and today we'll go with the solution part. So I'll write down the solutions. You can pause the video whenever you want and you can copy it down in your notebook. Okay, so students, as you have seen that I have already written down the answers of chapter 1 exercise 1A. So A, you have 5 MCQs given and the answers are, the first one will be D, slip in unnoticed. First one will be D, second one will be A, astonishment, third one will be B, a smartphone, fourth one will be A, to predict the future, fifth one will be A, he was bored. Okay, so this was the solutions of the MCQ. You can quickly mark it down in the book also if you want, and then you can already afterwards you can write it down in your notebook. Okay, and from here we will start the answers. Okay, so first one I have already written. No, you will copy the question with black pen and answers, as you know, the same process will follow. No, Renuka wasn't sure of her answer. Paragraph change. Renuka's replied 0.5 miss. This you can write with black pen, quote unquote. And then when the teacher replied, I am writing again, replied, you can pause the video whenever you want and you can copy it down in your copy. Asked her to explain comma, she started giving an explanation which was not correct, and she slowly stopped seeing the teacher's look, look. Okay, so this is your answer for the first one. You can pause the video and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, so I hope that you have written the answers of MCQ and B number 1. So here are the answers of B number 2, 3 and 4. So you have to just copy it down as per your, as you have been doing. One small reminder is that you have to remember that all these handwritten notes are being duly provided inside the description box just below, and the links are given. So you can, if you have any problem out here in writing, you can simply go and click on the link. You will have the PDF and you can see and copy it down as you wish. Okay, so both the things are there. Give it a try. Whatever is beneficial to you, you can just go through this. Okay, so out you have seen that I have already said you the answer of 1. Number 2, you can see that the word stupidus, quote unquote stupidus, you can always use a black pen if you want, literally means quote unquote stupid in English. Selvam said this to Renuka, comma, she was unable to answer the question that the teacher had asked her. Full stop. You will underline it with pencil after the completion of each answer. Okay, now number 3. Selvam had dreamt of being quote unquote Mr. Madras. This is why he continuously flexed his muscles in the physical education class. Underline number 3. Number 4. No, he did not know the answer of the question which was asked to him. Full stop. He thought of using a smartphone to find out the answer of the question which was asked by his English teacher. Full stop. Okay, pause the video and copy it down. Okay students, you have already written the answers back. So this is the last 5th answer of part B. So the answer is no, it wasn't not at all done deliberately. Deliberately means जानबूझ के किया है. So नहीं, उसने जो पेबल मारा था that was not deliberately. It was a instinctual action. He did not do with the intention to break the car's window, but he had kicked it and somehow it went and crossed the principal's car window. So it was not a deliberate action. It was done without knowing. He was lost. Why he did it? He was lost in his own wondering about. He was lost in his own, comma. He was lost in his own. What he was lost? He was wondering about the incidents, whatever happened in school, and he somehow kicked a pebble which went straight and hit the principal's car window. So with this, B ends. Okay, part B ends, and number C part, okay, starts from here. So you will give the heading here, and then answer number 1 you will start it, okay, as you have done. Write the question. C1 answer is Selvam looked apologetically, means sorry feel karna, apologetically at Raghu because he failed to divert the teacher's attention and let Raghu slip inside the class. Okay, slip inside means class में चुपके से घुसना. वो सॉरी करके क्यों देख रहा था रघु को? Why he was looking apologetically? Because he was unable to divert the teacher's attention. Okay, so he was feeling very sorry and looking at Raghu that sorry I cannot let you inside. Okay. Number 2, the teacher had noticed, the class teacher had noticed the efforts. Okay, efforts. You can copy it down. You can pause the video whenever you want and you can copy it down. Okay, so which Selvam, again a short reminder that you have all these handwritten notes links beautifully given inside the description box. Any problem, click on the link which is given and you can find it the answers from there. You can write from there also. Answers are same only. Okay, so you can copy the second answer. The class teacher had noticed the efforts which Selvam continuously made, which Selvam made continuously to let Raghu slip in the class. Okay, slip in the class. Slip in the class means class में फिसल जाना नहीं, class में चुपके से घुसना. Slip in the class. Clear? Sneak in the class. Whatever you can say. Okay, pause it and write it down. Okay, so I hope that you people have written answers till 2. So now C3, C4 and C5 and 6. This is the ending portion which has been given. So you can copy it down whenever you want. So the 3 answer is the maths teacher looked at Selvan's expressions and guessed what he was thinking about Renuka. Number 4, in the geography class, while Selvam was sharpening his pencils, Raghu pushed him and the basket fell over. Number 5, yes, Selvam and Raghu were friends. It gets proved when the Hindi teacher says to Selvam, quote unquote, you can write with black pen, Raghu is in the class and he does not need your help. Last question. As soon as the English teacher asked a question, Selvam started itching his hands to pull out his smartphone. This made the teacher guess what he was planning to do. I guess you have written down, okay, the previous questions, this part, you can pause the video and write it down freshly in your notebook. Okay, so with this we come to the end of this wonderful session. Okay, chapter 1, out of the frying pan into the fire. Thank you very much.